Building quality furniture that easily disassembles is a great solution for an on-the-go lifestyle. But drilling for cross-style joints can be a frustrating and tedious pursuit. The universal cross-dowel jig solves this problem by perfectly aligning the cross-dowel and bolt holes on the same center line. Plus, drilling is quick and dead-on precise with the stainless steel bushings, which are adjustable along the laser engraved scales. The universal cross-dowel jig is truly universal, accommodating most cross-dowel sizes on the market, from tiny 1024s up to massive 3/8 inch 16 TPI versions, made for workbench leg stretchers. And since the dowel and bolt hole positions are adjustable, there are many joint style possibilities, like drilling a stopped hole for a blind joint.
The Rockler Center Offset Marking Tool lets you take care of two tedious tasks with one convenient device. The first is drawing a center line on the edge of a board. Just put a common number 2 pencil in the center hole, place the tool on the board, twist it until the posts make contact, and then slide. Just like that, you have a perfectly centered line on boards up to 1.5 inches thick. The second job is marking offsets or reveals for jobs like installing moldings. Just flip the tool, butt it against the board, choose the offset, and slide the tool to draw the line. It marks offsets from 1/16 to 1/2 inch from the edge in 1/16 increments. When you're done, you can take advantage of the built-in magnet to store it on a metal surface for easy retrieval next time.
Success in woodworking greatly relies on your ability to set up your woodworking power tools and machines to make accurate and precise cuts. Raising the bit or adjusting your blade to the perfect height or setting the fence in the ideal position are essential steps in getting high-quality results. You can achieve this with careful measuring or repeated test cuts, but that's time-consuming and still leaves a margin of error that often results in extra steps or ruined workpieces. For fast, accurate setups every time, the Craig Precision Router Table Setup Bars can be used. Each of these precision setup bars, made from high-quality aluminum, are actually 3 gauges in one. Start with the depth gauge to set the perfect bit or blade height. The setup bar straddles the router bit or table saw blade, making it easy to see when you've reached the desired height. Raise the bit or blade until it just touches the gauge, and you're good to go. Next, adjust the fence using the fence gauge. Simply place the gauge against the fence and slide them both over until the gauge lightly contacts the cutting edge. Lock the fence down and you're ready to cut. Finally, in certain applications, you can check the accuracy of the cut using the step gauge on the setup bar. Each kit includes 7 setup bars from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch that will work with virtually any router table or table saw. The bars are stored and organized in a convenient case, so they're an easy reach for fast, accurate setups. Thanks to the accuracy of the Craig Precision Router Table Setup Bars, your projects will come together faster, with better results, and fewer mistakes than ever before.
This new register caliper was inspired by a similar tool found in the Studley tool chest. The direct reading scale on the tool allows you to take a measurement for both outside and inside dimensions. You can also set them to quickly check dimensions as you work. The caliper is small enough to fit into a pocket, which means it's always there when you need it.
Crafting clean, tight-fitting finger joints for decorative boxes is easier than ever with Rockler's router table box joint jig. The jig mounts securely on router tables with a standard miter slot that's between 4.5 inches and 6.25 inches from the center of the bit. It features a smooth sliding backer sled with 3 interchangeable indexing keys that enable you to cut precise 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch box joints. The improved design of the indexing keys allows them to be swapped out easily and attached to the sled with screws. The 2 keys not being used store conveniently in the sled. Dedicated clamping areas on the sled help provide excellent workpiece control, and precision machine slots in the jig base keep the sled from going too far into the bit. Best of all, because you're cutting with a router bit, the fingers of your box joints will have clean, crisp corners, no pointy ears left by the beveled tips of dado saw blades. If you want fast, easy, perfect box joints time after time, pick up Rockler's router table box joint jig, available at your local Rockler store or rockler.com.
Woodpecker's new woodworking rules have been designed specifically for woodworkers who require a rule that is straighter, heavier, sits flatter, is easier to handle, and has both a standard and center scale to make your furniture, box, or cabinet projects easier to do with greater accuracy. Our woodworking rules are machined from aircraft-grade aluminum and anodized for surface protection and appearance. Both sides of the rule have 30-degree bevels which are engraved with inch markings. The bevels reduce parallax for faster and more accurate measuring and marking, and all our rules have center finger grooves to help position the rule. Woodpecker's new woodworking rules come in 4 sizes: 6-inch, 12-inch, 24-inch, and 36-inch. They're great for drawing perfectly straight pencil lines or scoring veneer, and with the center scale you can quickly lay out from the center of the rule. And with our 0 to 24-inch or 0 to 36-inch rulers, you can measure on both sides of the board from the same starting point without having to turn the rule. All our woodworking rules can be used with Woodpecker's RS2 rule stop and most with our new hook stop. The rule stop can be placed anywhere along the rule, so you can repeatedly hook the rule to the board's edge and make as many marks as you need, and all will be exactly the same distance from the edge. Except for our 6-inch woodworking rule, all our other rulers have 2 threaded holes on each end. They mate perfectly with the hook stop to ensure an exact 90-degree reference to the edge of your board, allowing for quick, accurate measuring and marking of your woodworking projects.
Rigid brings you the one tool for every job. The JobMax interchangeable tool system is the industry's most versatile tool. Quick connect any tool head in 4 different positions with any one of 4 power base options: pneumatic, 12 volt, 18 volt, and corded. Attach everything from a reciprocating saw, jigsaw, right angle drill, auto hammer, right angle impact, ratchet, to the incredibly versatile multi-tool. The JobMax multi-tool head is just one of many tool heads in the JobMax system, and it's backed for life with the lifetime service agreement. Free batteries, free parts, free service for life. Rigid, powerful, durable, professional. Available at the Home Depot.